The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hubbard County, Wadena County, northeastern Otter Tail County, Mahnomen County in northwestern Minnesota, Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, southern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 4 a.m. At 2:58 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from White Earth Nation to Bluffton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wadena, Park Rapids, Monaga, Mahnomen, Sabika, Verndale, and Toad Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.